Hello everyone, it's Thursday, June 18th, and welcome to our Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager in Washington State.
I'm Nancy Castilleja, also a speech-language pathologist and senior product manager, and I'm in San Antonio, Texas.
We have 4 news items to share with you today. First, a new document on the interpretation of normative data in achievement testing. We've had many questions about what missing school this spring means for achievement test normative data. Please review our newest document intended to support your local decision-making processes and your organization's plan for addressing the various situations you and your students are facing. As always, we welcome your feedback and further questions on this topic. You can find the document on our Telepractice landing page, www.pearsonassessments.com/telepractice. Our second headline is about an updated document on cleaning and disinfecting test materials. Since we released our first document in mid-March on this topic, our team has completed further investigation on the details of cleaning and disinfecting different types of manipulatives and other test materials. Please refer to our updated documentation, which now replaces the previous version on our Telepractice landing page. Once again, always learning.
Our third headline is that our field research group is planning to resume data collection. Following the guidance of governing authorities around the world and questions from our examiners, we're preparing to resume data collection for future editions of our instruments. These activities will begin only when cleared by the appropriate bodies within each jurisdiction. While we're looking forward to resuming this critical process of test development, we want to emphasize that the safety of our examiners and examinees will remain our primary concern. For more details, please visit our field research page on our website. Our final headline is that the CELF Preschool-3 digital assets are now available on Qglobal. The CELF Preschool-3 digital manual and STEM book are now available on Qglobal, and the CELF Preschool-3 print kit started shipping to customers who ordered early today as well. The early bird discount pricing will continue through August 17th, 2020. Of course, the digital manual and stimulus book are available free on Qglobal right now through July 31st. Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks for joining us.